How did I get myself in this position, you might ask? Well, let's take it back to the beginning of the day and find out. It is Monday, January 1st, 2024. Me and Maddie have decided to load up the doggos and go on a first day of the New Year hike, also known as a first day hike. It is right at 40 degrees, just after 10 a.m. and we've got a beautiful day, as you can see over here in western Arkansas. Gonna be going over to one of our favorite spots, Devil's Den State Park, and doing a hike over there. We will see you on the trails. So we have made it to Devil's Den, gonna do the Fossil Flats loop right at 2.5 miles, and the first thing we come up to is this little creek crossing. Maddie and Hazel have already went across it, and I'm about to carry Bentley and Blaze over it. There's 3 different variations of this trail. The one that we're doing is called Outlaw Loop. It's about 2.5 miles. It should only take around an hour. And the only time I've done this is mountain biking it, and I don't think Maddie's ever done it. But that little creek over there, that is the first thing you come up to right out of the parking lot, and you have to cross that right away. So hopefully have some water resistant stuff or be prepared to get wet. Hazel, Grace, and Bentley were prepared to get wet and they were loving it. Little Snoot, she wanted to be carried. Anyways, like I said, about 2.5 miles. Gonna enjoy this beautiful day. High 30 degrees, maybe low 40s, but y'all can see there is not a cloud in the sky. Perfect day for a first day hike. We are about a mile into the hike, and it has been super beautiful, peaceful, and relaxing so far. There are so many birds out chirping and hardly anyone on the trails. We've passed maybe like one group. We saw a group in the distance, but they went off doing a different trail. So pretty much had the whole place to ourselves. Not really heard anyone else talking or conversing in the distance. So just us, the doggos, and the sounds of nature, which have been very, very nice. Perfect for a first day hike. Yeah. Not only that, this is a very moderate trail, and so there's not too much elevation gain or rocks and stuff in it. Yeah, the little bit that we've done so far, Maddie has decided that she is willing to give the mountain biking here a try. So let me know in the comments if y'all want another video on that. Anyways, back to hiking. Bentley, get down here, buddy. What are you doing? Go, Blaze. Jesus. Oh, Blaze said right in the mud. That is. We have came to another water crossing, but lucky for us, this is the only little bit of water that we have to cross, and this whole thing isn't filled right now. Only have about 1.5 miles left of the trail, but it has been beautiful so far. The perfect day for a first day hike. Oh yeah, it kind of fell on my boot a little bit in the back. Little Snoot wasn't feeling like walking across that, so she's getting the luxury of being carried, but now that we're across, back to walking, Gur.
Hold on, there's 2 trails.
What do you say, Blazers? We'll go up.
Looks like God, I'm talking again.
Yeah. Come on, Blazers. Yep. Blaze said she wants to go in the water. Yep. Hey. Maddie, someone wants to be carried. Hey, Maddie, go. Go. Blaze, go. There we go. Lazy May's enjoying the last little part of her first day hike. Someone forgot her backpack, so she's not as happy and content as what she would normally be, but this is a pretty content looking spunky to me. So yeah, gonna continue on hiking. Probably should only have maybe like half a mile left, and the trail is still very smooth sailing. Had a little bit of up and downs, but not much. You got something to say about it, Hazel? Oh, you're loving the trail and you approve. Okay, let's get back to hiking. All right, back to the trail. Hazel's about to have a conniption over here. Is you okay, girl? Boop. We've got the doggos and we are loaded back up, heading to the house. It is just before 2 p.m. and the hike ended up being about 2.8 miles, maybe like 200-ish feet elevation gain. Not bad at all, very moderate overall, and we only passed maybe like 2 different groups of people, I believe, the whole trail. So very, very nice, especially because the other trailheads were very packed. So not really what we expected, but it was very nice and a nice change of pace because usually the hikes that we do aren't quite that modest. But even though it was a modest hike, there was still one wipeout, as I'm sure y'all have seen if the video did catch it, and it wasn't even technically during the trail. I was going back to get the GoPro, just being dumb, hopped on some slick rock, and whoosh, you already know what happens. Anyways, thank y'all so much for watching. Have a great rest of the day. Till next time, peace.